What is going on, guys? Artist Touch Painting, as always, your favorite artist, Jesse, back with another Friday video. Frequently Asked Question Friday. So, we're going to pick up where we left off last week in regards to options for when you have oak cabinets. Now, this option is not only for oak cabinetry. If you have a different wood species, you can still use this option. It just seems to be something that comes up way more often when people have oak cabinetry and they want to go with smooth wood. Um, so we got to talk about the options, which are filling the green oak, or the oak green, sorry, filling the green of the oak boxes and the doors. When you get into filling the green of the doors, it can be time consuming, and we do charge for that. Now, for roughly a similar price, we can give you the option of replacing your doors, or otherwise known as refacing. So we can fill the green on your cabinet boxes, make them smooth, and then we can replace your cabinet doors. Now you have some options with your cabinet door choices as well. We use a couple different suppliers depending on what you want. We can get you actual solid wood maple doors. The rails and stiles can be maple, and the center panels can be MDF or HDF, or they can be solid maple, depending on your budget and the style that you want. Now, we can go fully custom with this. We have a bunch of different styles and selections of rail edges, center panels, inner edges, how detailed and ornate they are. Some cost a little more than others, so it all depends on what you want, what your goal is, and what your budget is, obviously. Now, we can order you a cheaper, more budget-friendly option, which is purchasing MDF or HDF solid one-piece cabinet doors. Now, this is usually what is chosen more often than not, because a lot of times in this industry, the idea is that we're saving you some money in regards to comparing it to replacing your whole cabinet set. So, if you wanted to save a little bit of money and still get a new style, this is a good option for you. The thing that I would say with it is you are limited in the styles that you choose due to the nature of how they're made, right? So if you want ease of cleaning, you can go shaker with like a little beveled inner edge with a rounded outer edge, for instance. They're pretty simple designs. You can have like maybe two ribs or whatever. They don't get too fancy because the bit that cuts them out of the boards can only do so much. Now, once you decide what it is that you want and what style you're going with, we place the order, and now you have, once again, options for that. We can order it with raw maple or raw MDF, HDF, whichever you decide. And if that's the case, then we need to do a sealer coat and then a high build primer coat, sanded in between each, because when you introduce water-based products to MDF or HDF, the fibers swell, and you may not get the consistent, glassy, smooth, brand new look that you're expecting. So there is a little bit of a learning curve and a labor curve to that option. Or most of these suppliers, we can order either the maple or the MDF already primed. They're sealed, primed, and then we just need to go through and sand everything and quality check it and do any filling of any bits or fibers, or the bit can take little pieces and chunks and leave some of the edging a little bit less than smooth, and that tends to need a little bit of filler on our part, and then we sand that back. Regardless of what option you choose and what style you choose, and if you order them raw or primed, we almost always will do the final two top coats. This gives me the ability to control the quality and the end result. This also gives me the ability to ensure that there's a consistency between the color and the paint sheen that we use on your cabinet boxes. Not every supplier uses the same top coats that we use. So to not have to deal with any of that and to keep everything consistent, we can take them primed, fill them, sand them, get them ready for top coat, spray our 2 top coats. I still save a little bit of time on the overall process. Um, Either way, you end up paying for a service. But the greatest thing about this entire niche is that you have so many options. And you can end up taking a golden oak or orange oak cabinet set in your kitchen and turn it to smooth, level, white, green, blue, gray, whatever color you pick, solid now. And you can go and have us put new hardware on, since we're going to have to drill holes for the handles. You can get soft close hinges now and soft close railings. And you essentially will have a brand new kitchen cabinet set, minus the inside of your cabinet boxes will be original. Um, so there really does open up some new options for what your kitchen can look like, because you can take an old, outdated look, make it colored, make it smooth, make it quiet, and now you saved a bunch of money compared to what it costs to rip out cabinets, buy cabinets, have somebody install the cabinets, and then now you're dealing with the damages. You got to paint, you got backsplash to deal with, the countertop, and you're looking at 40, 50, 60 grand, with a pretty straightforward kitchen remodel. We like to do a reasonable restoration, and refacing your cabinets when they're old, outdated, or oak is a great way to get exactly what you want. So, please allow us to make your kitchen our masterpiece. Stay tuned for video next week. Topic to be determined. Probably just our whole kitchen cabinet service, step by step what we do. So if you're interested, go check that out. If you haven't already, go and check out the written form with pictures of this blog topic on our website under the blog tab. You can see the previous ones and you can read those, and they backlink you everywhere which way you want to go. So until next Friday, see you later.